Hey everybody. So I made some bracelets today. Let me know what you think of these bracelets in the comments. Now, these are special bracelets. These are requested bracelets, okay? My niece, she requested me to make these for her son and his girlfriend. So I acquired their birthdays and I checked the stones out that would pretty much correlate with their personalities and the month that they were born in and their zodiacal sign, right? And the energies that carries. So this is what I came up with her. Amethyst, citrine, and rose quartz. I could have mixed in a few other stones, but I didn't have those stones, and I'm like, I'm going to use what I got. So this is what I came up with so far for her. I'm going to add another charm on here. I might as well do that now while I talk to you guys. But if you are a returning viewer, thank you. I really do appreciate you coming back to the channel. And I'm going to do my best to put, more videos out. Good content for you guys. So while I put this on, we just, I might have a little pause in there because I'm, kind of just getting back into this and trying to get my mind, back into this and get my setup pretty good. Yes. And, trying to go with the natural flow of things also. I thought I had one. I was looking for that. But I made this one with a 0.8 millimeter stretch wire from our stretch cord. That's what I made this one with. And I made the other one with like a 1.0. I'll get to that one in a minute as soon as I close this here ring up. I'm going to have to get my glasses. Honey, ain't nothing like some old eyes over here trying to make some jewelry. And I didn't get it right because I didn't close it properly because I can't. I got the light in, but I guess I'm gonna have to put the light in over on this side. I got it on the other side, and I that's where I had to set up before. When I did the first video, you'll see it when I put the video up. But I can't work from that angle. That's the left side. I cannot work. It was awkward. I'm a right hand, so I have to work from this side. So this is what she got. And the amethyst is to the purple. The purple is the amethyst. It's to calm her down, just to say, woosah. Okay, and the citrine is for prosperity right now. And the rose quartz is for compassion, love, strength, peace, and just be, open the heart chakra for love. So I like this combination. So when making these bracelets, guys, I'm finding that you just make them and just add the stones on there. All the stones do not have to be the same design or the same shape. And I'm finding that I like these better. And I added her a beautiful purple with a little gold trim on there also. Because this year gold and silver is being combined together. Like I'm wearing a gold and silver link today. But this is nice. I like this. And I made this like a 7-inch. Let me put it on to show you what it's going to be. See? I think it turned out beautiful. And you roll them down like this on your arm, okay? And so let's get into this one. Now this one I made for my great nephew. Now he got the citrine also. Did I do this? I don't know if I did him or not. I'm over here. But I think I did. So he got the citrine, black tourmaline, and tiger's eye. So I hope I read off to you what that represents. And look at them. I think they're beautiful. I think I'm looking at right in here. It's like some type of glare on here. Let's see. I'll get it right. Is that dark? Seems like it's dark. Do I need to lift that up? Take the glare off a little bit? But I have to get my lighting set up. I got a glare coming from somewhere. See right in there? Well, these are good. But I'm going to get off of here, and I'm going to come back and do, I'll be back because I got to make my son's amethyst bracelet. I'm looking for a focal bead for him, which I can't find, but I'm going to definitely find it. But thank you, and let me know in the comment if you see a glare, and let me know if my volume is good also, and the video quality, because I had to work on that also. So thank you, and I'll catch you in the next one.